Welcome back, guys, once again. So, as we discussed from this video onwards, we are going deep dive into practical aspect of setting up the Facebook pixel. Okay. So right now, this is my one of the account. I created a website for setting the pixel, and you are seeing one ads account right now, Facebook ad account. I hope everyone is most of the time aware about Facebook ad manager. So right now, this is my MCC account, and in MCC account, business manager account, sorry, business manager account, I have one ad account in a Facebook. So this is my business manager account, and in that I have a different ad manager account. So right now you are seeing a complete ads manager dashboard, like campaign manager dashboard in a ads manager. So before setting up the pixel, I have to go into the event manager tab. Okay, so I'm going to all tools, clicking on the event manager tab, and I will go to the event manager tab. So right now in event manager tab, right now you're seeing I already created a pixel, but just for your information, you can also create a new pixel with the help of event manager overview tab. So just click on this green button, connect data source, and click on a web application. Give name to a pixel, okay, and put your website URL. So this is a simple setup to connect your uh, website to a pixel. So I already created a one pixel over here, and I'm going to data source right now. We're also going to see the event manager tab as well in upcoming lecture, how you have to overview the overall uh, event manager tab, and how you can get much better insight, segregation of insight. Then you can how you can create audiences after seeing the data over here. So all these details we are gonna discuss in upcoming lecture. But right now our main focus is of installing the pixel. So already I created one pixel over here. I got one ID for my pixel, and I want to set up a pixel. So right now you are seeing also one event has been received for a page view. But what I'll do, I will create one event. So right now, guys, I have installed a pixel. So I have to get the pixel code itself. So I'm clicking on a manage integration. I'm going to manage and install pixel on a website. So right now, our main priority is to install pixel with a manual code manually. So I'm clicking this option. In next lecture, we are going to see for a check for a partner option. So right now, I'm just clicking on this. You are seeing this copy code. I'm copying the code. Okay. And right now, this is my website. Okay, and I want to set up a pixel over here. So as we see, we right now not seeing any pixel over here. No pixel found on smarthome.com. So we have to install pixel on our website. So right now I'm going to my WordPress backend dashboard. I already logged in this dashboard, and in dashboard you are seeing this menu bar. So in menu bar we have to access the backend code of our WordPress website. So in that, as we know, there are different CMS available for e-commerce store. We have heard Shopify, which is one of the most famous platform for e-commerce store. Then Magento is there. All these CMS platform are there, and they have their own style of dashboard. So basically, you can access their dashboard and put your code in the head section of a your website. So as instructed given by Facebook, if you read below this, so paste your pixel code bottom of the header section, just above closing the head tag. So we have to place our code in a head section before closing the head section. And right now I want to access backend code of my website. So in WordPress we have an option of appearance, and in appearance we go to a theme editor, theme file editor option. So I selected this. Right now these are my theme files actually. So I want to look out for a header.php file. So I'm looking out for header.php file, and here is my header.php file. So right now you are seeing the head and body section of my website. So I have to place this code just above the before closing the head tag. So I'm coming over here and clicking on this code part right now and putting my copied code over here. So as you see, the code has been copied over here. So you are clearly seeing this line metapixel code. So this is a comment line actually. And from next line onward, the script is starting. My Facebook ad pixel script is started. So here script is written and script closing. So right now this code I already explained you in earlier lecture. So I will not go in deep. But once you have a initialization of pixel, every ad account has a unique pixel ID, and this ID initialized by Facebook itself in a code. And then again, in a second line before closing the script tag, we are seeing the FBQ, like Facebook is tracking one page view event on our website. So this is a by default code. Uh, for every default code, Facebook give you a page view event, and you can track page view event with the help of this. So I copied this code over here, and right now I'm going to update this file. So file edited, like file updated successfully. So I'm just refreshing this page once again, and I'm seeing this code. So right now I have to go to my WordPress website and check for is it the pixel code has been placed properly or not. So after installing, I have to refresh my page. I'm refreshing my page, and right now, as we discussed in metapixel, we are seeing green button number numeric value 1. So what is indicating? So basically, it's indicating that they found a pixel on our website and one event, that is a page view event, they are seeing it. So right now I just want to match my pixel ID. So I'm just taking last 5 digit of my pixel ID, that is 24268. So let me check this. So you are seeing this 24268. So my pixel code is placed properly, and right now I'm seeing one event over here. So accordingly, by this method, you can set up a Facebook pixel on a website backend. And this method most of the time require a developer help, because every CMS platform, or if you have any custom development, then you have to take a developer help for setup in this pixel. And it's a little bit difficult task if you don't have a backend access of website. So I hope you understand the concept, and we will dive into next lecture for another method. Thank you.